Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we've got something special for all you DIY enthusiasts and soldering aficionados out there. We're taking a closer look at the YIHUA 8786D i2-in-1 hot air rework and soldering iron station. This right here is the YIHUA 8786D, and let me tell you, it's one of the best hot air guns for soldering available in the market. In this video, we're going to dive deep into its features, performance, and why it should be in your toolkit. First, let's talk about what sets this soldering station apart. The YIHUA 8786D is a dual system that combines both a soldering station and a hot air rework station in one package. This means it's incredibly versatile for various soldering tasks, whether you're working on circuit boards, small electronic devices, or even larger projects. One of the standout features is the intelligent temperature control. It uses a high-end precision PID program to monitor and correct temperatures quickly. This ensures accuracy in your soldering projects. Another important aspect is its anti-static design, which helps prevent static or leakage damage to sensitive electronic components. Safety first, right? Now, here's an exclusive safety design. If the hot air gun stops putting out air unusually during use, the system will automatically set an alarm and cut off the power to ensure your safety. It's all about peace of mind. But wait, there's more. The YIHUA 8786D comes with a variety of accessories, including soldering tips, IC extractor, lead-free solder, desoldering pump, and hot air gun nozzles. It's a complete package for your soldering needs. Now, let's put this soldering station to the test. We'll check its temperature control, precision, and how it handles different soldering tasks. As you can see, the soldering iron heats up quickly and maintains a steady temperature. It's perfect for working on smaller components, and the included tips are a nice bonus. Now, let's switch gears and use the hot air gun. It's great for desoldering or reworking surface-mounted components. The adjustable airflow and temperature control give you the flexibility you need. I've been using this soldering station for a while now, and I have to say, I'm impressed with its performance. It's reliable, easy to use, and the dual system is a game changer. The soldering iron has an auto-cool feature after 10 minutes of inactivity, which may not be preferred by some users. In conclusion, the YIHUA 8786D i2-in-1 hot air rework and soldering iron station is a fantastic tool for soldering and rework tasks. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional, this station offers great value for your money. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.